fresh yellow beet, boiled with the Swedish vinegar and salt. Fresh onions, radish, honey, vinaigrette, and a little of this oil. We use a lot of this oil in Sweden and Scandinavia, rapeseed. And we shave the mushrooms on top, just fresh mushrooms, because when you shave it very, very thin, you have the big aroma and the tastes are different when you shave it. So today on stage I'm going to cook two salads. One we call iron salad, because the leaves salads, everyone knows leaves. But I'm going to show two techniques of preparing salad in a different way. It's very normal when we eat salad, we eat it as a salad. For me, you should enjoy salad or vegetables in the same way as we do with the regular dish. It's how we plate it and how we actually eat the salad. Very normally we eat salad in a big bowl and you have a fork. For me, it's important that the salad tastes the same in the beginning as in the end. Exactly as if you're eating a main course or something. So I brought some of the Swedish vegetable ingredients. So the first dish is not vegetarian, but it's based on salad, very good salad ingredients, and Maj-Lis will tell you a little bit about it. But I brought reindeer. And reindeer is one of the most healthy meat that we have. It's from North Sweden. There is in Finland and Norway as well. And it has the highest mineral terms of all meat. So what we do, I'm going to use a pan. Exactly the same thing as when you are fried fish or meat. We save the taste from the first beginning. So I have a hot pan, just regular mushrooms. So I'm going to fry this.